So you can see why this is a coordination game, right? We both want to do the same thing. If you're defecting, I want to defect. If you're cooperating, I want to cooperate.
Wait, what? Maybe we should go back to the beginning. Patrick Forber gave a lecture on the evolution of social behavior and began with Hamilton's model, which categorized social behavior based on the effect of a particular behavior on both the actor and the recipient. Social behavior can have both a positive or negative effect on the actor initiating the behavior and a positive or negative effect on the recipient. If the behavior has a positive effect on both the actor and the recipient, it is mutually beneficial. If the behavior has a positive effect to the actor but is harmful to the recipient, it is selfish. Selfish behavior is favored by natural selection because it increases the fitness of the actor. In contrast, if the actor pays a cost to reproductive success or fitness to participate in a particular behavior that is beneficial to the recipient, this is termed altruism. If the actor pays a cost and the recipient is harmed, this behavior is categorized as spiteful. Hamilton was particularly interested in how a behavior like altruism could evolve. However, there are limitations to Hamilton's model. For example, it assumes that the recipient doesn't affect the costs or benefits of the behavior carried out by the original actor, as well as assumes that the recipient doesn't have a role in whether or not the behavior of the actor is good or bad. In reality, what a partner does matters in social situations because it can affect the outcomes of the initial behavior in terms of whether or not it is positive or negative towards the initial actor.
Think of coordinated hunting, or you might think about bringing down a big game like a stag. So the two of us need to cooperate to bring down the stag, but we could each go our separate ways and hunt hare. So this is a strategic scenario where how well I do depends on what you do. And we need to coordinate our actions to achieve the cooperative outcome. So let's think of a different game called the stag hunt.
Forber made use of a stag hunt game example that looks at the behaviors of two individuals. In this example, there are two strategies each individual can partake in. One can either cooperate with another or defect. If both individuals defect and hunt hare instead of a stag, both get a payoff of 1. If both individuals cooperate and work together to hunt the stag, both get a payoff of 3. Because 3 is greater than 1, both would rather cooperate than defect because the payoff is bigger. If I defect and my partner cooperates, I get a payoff of 2 and my partner gets a payoff of 0. If I cooperate and my partner defects, I get a payoff of 0 and my partner gets a payoff of 2.
So you can see why this is a coordination game, right? We both want to do the same thing. If you're defecting, I want to defect. If you're cooperating, I want to cooperate, right? So this is about cooperation, but it's not altruism.
So I wanted to find an example of coordinated hunting in real life and compare it to the ideas that Forber theorized on the board for us. What I found was a study about coordinated hunting in lions of the Etosha National Park in Africa. Scientists by the names of Packer and Rutan weighed the costs and benefits of cooperative hunting using game theoretical models such as the stag hunt model that Forber used for us. Packer and Rutan showed that animals should be more cooperative when the hunting success of a solitary hunter is low.
In Etosha National Park, lions had a low average capture success rate of 15%. Single lionesses were mostly unsuccessful in capturing prey and had a low success rate of only 2.3%. Cooperative hunters had a high success rate of 27%, and their success rate increased with increasing hunting group size.
As you can see by this highlighted bit right here, cooperative hunts were more successful than non-coordinated group hunts. Hunting success was also further improved when lionesses hunted in their preferred stock categories. The paper suggests that the complex hunting strategies used to divide the labor to capture a prey may have evolved from the fundamental advantage of higher per capita food intake derived from cooperative hunting during the dry season. Therefore, the complex cooperative hunting strategies used by lions and other animals may have evolved to allow for the increased success of capturing prey and therefore better survival success. In other words, animals that may initially seem to be acting altruistically may actually be receiving some sort of benefit by cooperating in a particular behavior with their partner. For more information on how the complexities of social behavior may have evolved, then click the link in this video to watch the full lecture given by Patrick Forber. Thanks for watching. Bye!